Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode we're going to be repairing and modifying the S15. So first of all, we've got a broken hub with steering arm attaches to it. So we've got some replacements for them. You can also see the wheel isn't centered in the wheel arch. So I've got some custom body mounts that I've designed and printed that'll shift the body back and keep the wheel centering the wheel arches. Also, the fitment on the wheels is, there's about a 6mm gap between the outer edge of the wheel and the wheel arch. So I've designed some rotor grids. Rears have got more of a concave face on them. And also I've designed some mounts so I can fit one of my caliper kits. And we're going to go with white to match the body. So let's get started. First job, let's get the wheel off and get the hub replaced. That's the hub fitted, steering arm attached. Next up, we're going to get the brake kit on. Let's get that done. To fit these caliper kits, they're very similar to the TA-01 kits that I do. You've got different cutouts in there that match up with the fins on the hub. So you can orientate this whichever way around you want, so you can get it to match the real car. So push the hub on, hub adapter on, and drop your pin back through. Just rotate that round so it's less likely to fall out. Take the brake disc, which is a hex as well. Drop that in place. You take the caliper, and that's fitted on 2 bolts. And that's it, it's caliper kit fitted. Now we just need to repeat it for the other three. There we go, that's all four fitted. Tried to position them the same as the real car. So next step, let's get these wheels on, see how they look. As I said before, the rears are slightly more dished. So that's the front, that's the rear, matching tyre treads. Let's get them on. The underdoors wheel nuts actually match the wheel colour as well. Fitted. As you can see, caliper static and the disc is rotating with the wheel. I have done a video on how to design and print your own wheels, so I'll put a link to that. It's a fairly long one, but there's a fair bit of information in it. So if you fancy learning more about that, I'll put a link to it so you can take a look. So the next part is a body mount. So I worked out roughly, I need to move the body back 5mm. So I quickly designed up some mounts. Did a rough print in them. Found out that the actual base of it was too long, so I needed to trim that down. So the screw would be long enough to actually fit into the mount. And then I resin printed them. Once I've done that, you can see the recess in there for the screw. And I'll move it 5mm back. Very similar on the front. So as that's mounted on, originally it would have been coming up here. That's now moved back 5mm. Same angle. So let's get them on so we can line the body up properly with the wheels. fitted. So now we can see if the body actually lines up properly. Should do. We'll say I test fitted it with the other ones. So let's get that on. And there we go, much better. You can see the calipers through the wheels now centered in the arches. Quite happy with that. Now you may have noticed I've only replaced one of the hubs and the chassis was actually pretty filthy. I'm going to do a full strip down, rebuild, do that in a separate video because that'll be a quite long one. But other than that, I'm quite happy with it, and I'm going to say that one's pretty much done. So thanks for watching, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.